Hey guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can install Adobe Photoshop on your computer. So first, you can just open your browser and then just click on the search column in here. Then just type in Adobe Photoshop or just Adobe Photoshop download. Click on enter. And you'll go to this page, official Adobe Photoshop. You can just click on it. So the Adobe Photoshop is a program where you can create stunning lifelike images with the latest generative AI features and the most advanced generative fill yet. So this is powered by the new Adobe Firefly Image 3 model. So you can just now there are two options. You can go with the free trial, or you can just buy the app. So let's say here I'm going to just go with the free trial, and here you can click on the Photoshop. You can see this is the amount that I need to pay, but if you want to see all of the plans and pricing, you can just click on in here and you can just click on continue. Here you can pick up a subscription. So for example, I'm going to go with monthly, and in here you can click on this if you want to add a 7-day free trial of Adobe stock and get up to 10 standard asset. I'm going to just click on continue again. So here you need to enter your email, and then you'll use it to access all of your Adobe products. So just click on or type in your emails in here. And after that, you can click on continue, and this is the summary that you need, the one that you need to pay. So after you pay for this amount, after that, you'll receive the email where you can download the Adobe Photoshop from that. And you can just install it on your computer. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.